Good evening. Today, I'm going to do the last part of lines and angles. Lines and angle chapter. Now here it is given there are two, see, AB parallel to CD and EF is also parallel to AB as well as CD. Now this angle, this from here, the line is joined to E. This value is X. Find the value of X. How to find the X? Now these two are parallel, isn't it? These are parallel. Now this is called transverse line. This is a transverse line. Therefore this is alternate angle. Alternate angle. That means angle B is equal to angle C. That means how to represent angle B is equal to angle C. This is 70. Therefore this is also 70. But how to represent the angle B? Angle B can be written as what? ABC. Angle ABC is equal to angle BCD. Angle BCD. BCD, that is equal to 70 degrees, is it not? 70 degrees. Because what? Alternate angles. Looks like Z. Therefore, this full angle is what? 70 degree. Suppose this is Y, this value is Y. Now this is E and EF and CD are parallel. Since EF is parallel to CD. Therefore, according to the transverse angle, this is 130. This will be what? Y. Right? The sum of this, that is 130 plus Y degree is equal to 180 degree. Is it not? The sum of this should be 180. Therefore, Y degree is equal to 180 minus 130. Therefore, Y is equal to 50 degree. Now BCD, see, BCD angle BCD is equal to 70 degree. Now BCD is equal to 70 degree. That is X degree plus Y. X plus Y is equal to 70 degree. The value of Y is what? 50. The value of 50, therefore X degree plus 50 degree is equal to 70. Therefore X degree is equal to 70 minus 50, or X equal to 20 degree. Therefore the answer for this X is equal to 20 degree. Now this particular sum, another sum, this is a 7 sum, first sum, this is a some 7 sum, I'll do second, third and all later. Angle A, angle B, angle C. Angle C. Or in the ratio C, angle C, this is angle A, angle B and angle C of a triangle is equal to 3:2:1. That means suppose angle A is equal to 3y, angle B is equal to 2y, angle C is equal to just y. This is given. This is given. This 3 is given. And also ACD is 90 degree. That is AC is perpendicular to CD. This is perpendicular. This is 90 degree. Find X. Now this is 3y, this is 2y, this is y, this is 90 degree. Now how to first you find y? How to find y? Find y. That is, in any triangle, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. That is 3y, 2y plus y is equal to 180 degree. 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 6, 6y equal to 180 degree, or y is equal to 30 degree. Now the value of y is 30 degree. Now this is completely straight angle. The straight line, is it not? Therefore BCE, angle BCE is equal to straight angle. Straight angle means 180 degree. That is y plus this is 90 degree plus x is equal to 180. What is the value of y here? 30 degree plus 90 degree plus x is equal to 180. 30 plus 90 is what? 120. You send that side. Therefore x is equal to 180 minus 120. Therefore x value is what? 60 degree. Okay, 60 degree. Now how to find out this? This line is parallel to this line. It is given, see, they are parallel. They are parallel. Now find out the missing terms. Z you have to find out, x you have to find out, this y you have to find out. Two are parallel line. Now it is like Z, is it not? See, A, E, F, G. Alternate angle, that is E and Y are alternate angle. That is angle E is equal to angle F. That means angle AEF is equal to angle EFG. This is how much? 75 degree. Because alternate angle. Alternate angle. Therefore this is 75 degree. Now these two are what? Complementary. You take this. This is transverse, two parallel line. This is E, this is F, this is 75, this is X. Therefore these are complementary, right? Complementary. Or this is 75, then you can find out this is a straight angle. You can 180 minus, you can do it. This is 180, is it not? Therefore 180 is equal to, that is x plus 75 equal to 180. X is equal to 180 minus 75, or x is equal to 105 degree. You can find out. Or this also you can do it, this way also. Therefore x plus x degree plus 75 is equal to 180. They are complementary. Some of them are interior angles, lie between the two parallel lines, lie between, they are complementary, right? The supplementary angles, they are supplementary angles. Therefore supplementary interior angles lies between the two parallel supplementary angles. Therefore x is equal to 180 minus 75. Therefore x is equal to 105 degree. This is over. Therefore this is 75. Similarly this also 125 by, what is this value? This is, say, L. L plus 125 equal to 180. Then what is angle L? Angle L is equal to 180 minus 125. Therefore, what is the angle? Angle L is equal to 55 degree. This is 55 degree. You got it? In this triangle, in a triangle EFG, in a triangle EFG, in a triangle EFG, angle Z degree, angle Y plus angle L is equal to 180. Z you don't know, angle Z you don't know, Y is 75, L is 55 is equal to 180. Therefore, 75 plus 55, 110. You send that side. Therefore, Z is equal to 180 means 110. Therefore, Z is equal to 70 degree. Therefore, angle F E G is equal to 70 degree. 70 degree.